Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain one more example on operations on data in a Java language. Operations on data. Say byte, short, int, char. In these four data types, any one data type plus byte, short, int, char. In these four data types, any one data type, the result is integer. Byte, short, int, long and char. In these five data types, any one data type plus long. The result is long. Byte, short, int, long, float and char. In these six data types, any one data type plus float. Result is float. Byte, short, int, long, float, double and char. In these seven data types, any one data type plus double. Result is double. Note: operations cannot be performed on Boolean type. There are 8 primitive types. In that, on Boolean type, we cannot perform operations. I'll explain with code snippet. Character A equal to capital A. Int B equal to 3. Character C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. In this line, operation is there. I'm going to explain. I'll write separate. Char C equal to A plus B. A is a character type. B is a int type. Character plus integer, say character plus integer, result integer. So character plus integer, result is integer. This is integer comes. Integer, if you assign to character, error comes because it is narrowing conversion. 23 narrowing conversions are must be done by programmer explicitly, otherwise compile time error occurs. About type conversions, in a previous video I explained. If you watch that video, you will get a more clarity to get this code snippet. I'll explain in a program. Char A equal to capital A. Int B equal to 3. Char C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. I'll save. File, save. I'll compile Java C demo.java. See, we got error. Now we can solve this error. Explicitly we have to convert. How to convert? I'll show you. See, in the brackets I'm writing char. If I write like this, again we'll get the same error. Say why? I'll explain. Char C equal to char A plus B. If you write like this, now A is a character type. A is a character type, but character converted as character only. Now again character only comes. B is a int type. B is a int type. Character plus integer, again result is integer type. integer if you assign to character, again same error comes, because it is narrowing conversion must be done by programmer explicitly. We did explicitly, but we converted only A as a character type. We have to convert result of A plus B, then you'll get a output. But this one also error. See, I'll show in a program. Here in the brackets I'm writing char. I'll save, file, save. I'll compile, we'll get a same error. How to solve this error, I'll show you. Here we converted A as a character. We have to convert result of A plus B. For that we have to write brackets like this. This one I'll explain here. Char C equal to, in the brackets char, again in the brackets A plus B. Now here A is a character type, B is a integer type. Character plus integer, result is integer type. Integer myself I'm converting as character type. This character I assign to character, so it is valid. So in this code snippet, result of A plus B we are converting as character, that's what valid. In previous code snippet only A converted as character, that's what not valid. I'll show in a program. Here bracket A plus B. I'll save this program, file, save. I'll compile, java c demo.java. See, successfully compiled this program. Here A means 65 plus 3 68. 65 means capital A. 65 means capital A, that is ASCII code. Like that 66 means capital B. 67 means capital C. 68 means capital D. So 65 plus 3 68. 68 means capital D, because we are printing character format, that's what output comes capital D. See, I'll run java demo. See, output capital D. For getting more information on Java, you visit my blog java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. For getting more information on Java, you visit my blog.